Sanibonani babukeli ba Professor nabalandeli ba Professor CM Likhuleni. Ngihamba no Prof T Ngomani noma Prof T Archbishop Ngomani ubaba wami kamoya njengoba nazi bafowethu ubaba noma the founder of the Temple of Praise. Namhlanje besila ekhaya uthe umunye umuntu wathi kanti wayaphi Ngomani ukhona. Banye bathi ngilahlile. Maye batshela ukuthi kahlahle uyenzeni.
Amen. Sisiyabonga kakhulu MPV Production bashisa Production International. Sibonga kakhulu sila ku Professor CM Likhuleni Archbishop. Siya ku confirmation noma siyo witness mhla ka30 umusa kaNkulunkulu ohlele kuwe mayisana ngikhona ngibuyila ngindawo uzozonda uphunda ithanda akekho umuntu ongazala umntwana uLikhuleni ngamthola akhuleka azilaphela abantu ngathi mina ngibona uqobo Likhuleni wathi baba uNgomani angifuni lokho mina ngifuna ukuzambela isikhalanga ngiphilisa abantu ngithi sayifikile lento njengoba sayiprofesaya besiziletha umkhuleko la ekhaya eBorn Again kakhulu kubathandazi bonke laba sikhasile bazalwane bonke bekukuhle kakhulu asihlanganeni bazalwane confirmation time uzoba khona uProfessor Thingomane azo witnessa amandla kaNkulunkulu maka wayihlisa ubaba uDlomo ubaba wethu Archbishop mhla ka30 woza nawe usesekhona uCM Likhuleni uProfessor no Professor Thingomane baye it's a good family, one family. We are one. God bless you. Amen.
Sindawo
Sila
sila
full force.
full force.